Good day, citizens. Today I'm going to show you how to install a program when Windows Defender SmartScreen prevents you from doing so. Let me first demonstrate the problem. Here's a program that I've downloaded which I know to be safe, but when I try to install it, this is what happens. Windows Defender SmartScreen prevents me from installing it. So how do you get past this? The trick is to start installing the program and then immediately disable Windows Defender SmartScreen. So how do you do that, you might be asking? Let me show you. Let me close this down. I'm going to make this window smaller. And so here is the program that I want to install. What you want to do now is go to the Start button, the lower left corner of the screen, type Task Manager, and this will open up the Task Manager window. In the Processes tab, you will find a section that says Background Processes, and there you will find Windows Defender SmartScreen. So this is what you do to set things up. You first open these two windows side by side. You want to highlight the folder that has the program that you want to install. And here I've selected the program. If you hit the enter button at this point, the installation process will start. But before you do that, you just want to be ready to disable the Windows Defender Smart Screen. So you go and have your mouse ready just over Windows Defender Smart Screen. Make sure that this window is not highlighted. The active window should be the window that contains the program that you want to install. So here I have my mouse ready. So the idea is I'm going to use my left hand to start installing the program using the keyboard, and I'm going to use my right hand to control the mouse to block Windows Defender Smart Screen. So you want to be ready to right click Windows Defender Smart Screen. So here I go. First I hit enter with my left hand, I right click with my right hand, and I end task with my right hand. And you can see that you've bypassed Windows Defender and the program starts getting installed. It's as simple as that. Thank you and have a good day.